Okay, so I just had an interesting problem here. It's caused by me, yeah. This is the original sidecar. Well, both of them are original, but this is the one I got pre-made, and this is the one I made up myself. And on this old STFM, it would often say there's no ROM in there, no SD card, whereas on the STE here, it would tend to work. So I had a consult with some of the users and support on the forum, and they said, oh, maybe this is dirty here. Clean that out. Didn't seem to work. Then I played a bit more, and I reasoned that, at the moment you see there's no SD card in it, but it's booted up running that, which means that obviously the ROM is stored inside the chip. This is the original chip, so what I did was I took it off. I played with a number of parameters: card in, out, original board, my board, and the soldering looks pretty good there, so I was a bit surprised, yeah, and it is good, yeah, I can solder. Then I tried moving the PICOs around. So this is the one that I got from Spain, and this is the one that I had from Farnell. Clearly I must have made a mistake on this bit here, so I'm going to have to look at my soldering here, because when I stick this in there, it stops working. So it's not talking. This somehow is not detecting the SD card. I don't think it's here. So I'm gonna resolder this and check it and see if I can work out what the problem is. But that's how I've debugged it. So again, SideCart is a fantastic product. It's really got me back into my Ataris. I've got a little hard disk on there now. That's super cool. So I've been programming in a bit of Fortran and some C today, which is cool. So at one point I'll go back and use a Atari or Steam because it'd be much quicker. I do want to mess with this thing just for the sheer fun of it, yeah. And if I break it, it's not the end of the world. But that's where I am in a minute. I feel young again. So fantastic work by everyone involved in this SideCart and Atari. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.